Welcome to this video about how to get started with LeadsGO. My name is Hans-Petter Ramstad and I'm the founder of LeadsGO. So you just go to leadsgo.com and then press Get Started. I'm creating this video on my dev site, but for you, go to leadsgo.com. Click Get Started, and here you have a simple three-step process to create an account, invite users, and get started. Below that, you also have a video showing you exactly how to do this. So let's just go to the home page and then press Free Start. And Free Start means that you will not be asked for any credit cards or any payments when you create an account at LeadsGO. I will monitor the account as it is created, and whenever it starts generating value for you, you start creating leads that are close with wins, I will contact you and ask you if you want to use LeadsGO, and then you can decide if you want to start paying or if you want to close down LeadsGO and not use it. So here is the first step. Here you can choose either to create a new account and start inviting people in to be collectors and start collecting and generating value for it. Or you can just create a user and then link that up to an existing account. In this case, I want to create an account and then just press next step. Here I enter the information about the company. If you have an organization ID number, you can enter that, or you can enter the name of your company, name of yourself, your email, and then the mobile number, an address, and the country you live in. Let me see if I find Norway here, there. And then you select a password. And then you have to prove the terms of the LeadsGO services, and then prove that you are not a robot before pressing save and create. That will create a new account, and if your email here is not already existing in the system, it will also create an administrative user with a sign-in for you to LeadsGO. And if you are new to LeadsGO, you will also get or receive an email with sign-in information about LeadsGO. And then you're taken to the last page where you get the confirmation that the account has been created and link to some videos you can look at in order to build you up on how to use LeadsGO. And then you basically use that information to sign in. Username is the email and the password that you set from the link in your email that you received. Press sign in. I have several accounts here, so I just have to select the one I want to work on. You will only bypass that since you only have one account. And then you are into the solution. You will not necessarily see all the elements to the left that I have because I am the system administrator, but this is how it more or less looks like with a few less elements. From here you can start inviting user by going under communication and send invitations, or you can just start creating user accounts. Just go into user administration and then start adding users. Creating users here, you will also be prompted if you want to send an email to that user with the username and the link to activate that user. There are also other ways of creating users from the user admin page. You can also import from an Excel or CSV file. There are also many other opportunities to create users. We looked at invite users, we looked at creating individual users and importing it from a CSV file. Feel free to contact us at leadsgo.com if you want to explore other opportunities like integration with HR system and other things. So this is basically what it is, what it takes to start with LeadsGO. Go to Get Started, create an account, sign in, and start activating and creating users and sending out the invitations. And then those users will receive emails with an activation link in it, set their password, and then they can start using either the web solution for creating leads, or go to Apple Store or Google Play to download their mobile apps and start hunting for opportunities and leads. So thanks for listening to the Get Started video, and good luck with LeadsGO. Thank you.